Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. As you may probably know, today it's Black Friday and I have a nice giveaway for you sponsored by Gearbest. There are going to be two prizes. The first one is going to be a $50 gift card and the second one a $25 gift card. All you have to do in order to participate is just to leave a comment down below. Make sure that you are subscribed and also turn on the notification bell, and I'm going to post the winner in the next couple of videos. In addition, I'm going to include links down below to some nice promotions that Gearbest is having, such as the Mobile 7 for only $80, so make sure to check it out. And I also ask you that if you decide to go for one of these products, try to use my link, because it's going to help me to grow my channel and also it's going to help me to bring you more giveaways such as this one. So happy Black Friday, happy shopping, don't spend too much, and see you soon on my next videos. Goodbye.